Hey, welcome to Brain Biceps. Today's challenge is Guees the word by Emojis. We have 20 questions and you have 10 seconds for Guees the word by Emojis. Are you ready? Let's go. Before starting, please subscribe Brain Biceps for more exciting quiz videos. First one. Hot dog. Amazing start. Can you find it by emoji? Teacher. Can you find it by emoji? YouTube. Which is the best platform? Can you find it by emoji? Rainbow. Can you find it by emoji? Cowboy. Do you know movie about cowboy? Write comment. Can you find it by emoji? It's Batman. Can you find it by emoji? Flashlight. Can you find it by emoji? Football. Don't forget subscribe to Brain Biceps. Can you find it by emoji? Rocket. Like is free. Only click it. Can you find it by emoji? Snowman. Click subscribe. Can you find it by emoji? Ice cream. Can you find it by emoji? Sunflower. Can you find it by emoji? Basketball. Can you find it by emoji? Toothbrush. Can you find it by emoji? Pancake. Can you find it by emoji? Spider-Man. Can you find it by emoji? Bluetooth. Can you find it by emoji? Burger King. Can you find it by emoji? Lighthouse. The hardest is coming. Can you find it by emoji?
Write comment your answer. Click subscribe and see last video.